The polynomial p of x is x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 10. X minus 2 is a factor, and it leaves a remainder 24 on division by x plus 1. So if we start with p of 2, we know that should come to 0. So that's 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 10. So 4a plus 2b plus 18 equals 0. 4a plus 2b equals negative 18, or 2a plus b is negative 9. Let's call that equation 1. And p of negative 1, that's going to be negative 1 plus a minus b plus 10, and we know that's going to be equal to 24. So that gives me that a take away b is going to be, so that will be 9 on this side, go over there, so that's going to be 15. And we'll call that equation 2. So if we add these, we get 3a equals 6, and therefore a is 2. And if a is 2, that means that b must be negative 13. So we now have that p of x is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 13x plus 10, and we know that that would be equal to, x minus 2 is a factor, then we need a quadratic, and to get x cubed here we need x squared, to get plus 10 we need minus 5, and there'll be an ax in the middle. So let's compare coefficients of x squared. So on the left we've got 2x squareds. What would give us x squared over here? Well, we'd get minus 2 just there, and then we get a plus a just there. So that gives me that a is equal to 4. So I now have x minus 2, x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. So x minus 2, so x and x got to be 5 and 1, plus and minus would do the trick. So I've got x is equal to 1, 2, or negative 5.